Limit to be better here. Do you wish your child to perform better in school, colleges, or your child to improve their performances? Then this video is for you. This may come as a surprise, but the birth month of a child has a huge impact on their performances in school. Parents with a child born at the end of the calendar year often think about holding their child back before the start of kindergarten. It's hard for a 5-year-old to keep up with a child born many months earlier. But most parents think that whatever disadvantage a younger child faces in kindergarten eventually goes away. But it doesn't. The small initial advantage that the child born in early part of the year has over the child born at the end of the year persists. It locks children into pattern of achievement and underachievement, encouragement and discouragement that stretch on and on for years. According to a research in Trends in Math and Science Society, popularly known as TIMSS, which is an international assessment of student achievement in math and science at 4th and 8th grades, they found that among 4th graders, the oldest children score somewhere between 4 and 12 percentile points better than the youngest children. It means if you take two intellectually equivalent 4th graders with birthdays at opposite ends of the cutoff date, the older student could score in the 80th percentile, while the younger one could score in the 60th percentile. That's the difference between qualifying for a gifted program and not. Before moving to the next point, if you have not subscribed to the channel, please consider subscribing. Now, what if your child is not doing well in school? Well, there is also a research for it. In 1970, a research took place. A study was conducted in a classroom, and an IQ test was administered on elementary students. After the test, 20% of the students were selected randomly and reported to their class teachers that these were prodigies. They will have exceptional gain in education in their respective life. At the end of the year, the researcher came back and tested the performance of those students. They found something great. All those students were labeled prodigies, even though it was fake. The teacher would pay more attention, and the result was that they got smarter. This effect is called the Matthew effect.